Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Oragun betrayed Èjìogbè. Story. On this path, Ofun sent Èjìogbè to go with Oragun to fetch Igwí, and the two of them set out together. Oragun went ahead and told Ofun that Èjìogbè would not be returning, which deeply upset Ofun. He became very angry, but at that moment Èjìogbè arrived, and Ofun reproached him and asked what reason he had for saying he wasn't coming back. And Èjìogbè, surprised, told him that he had never said such a thing, that his brother, being like the wind, Afefe, had gone ahead and arrived earlier and had spoken badly of him. While collecting the Igwí, he had found a nest of parrots. He brought it to Olufin, and Olufin was so happy that he didn't know how to thank him. Afterwards, he prepared a meal, and when they sat at the table, he sent ahead to Èjìogbè and declared, "From today, this is your greatest honor." Seeing this, Oragun exclaimed in great annoyance, "I'm clearly not needed. I am nobody." In this path, the child of Ofun is, by nature, treacherous, disloyal, and vengeful.